Get Subway Surfer City. In this video, I will show you exactly how to do it. Open your Subway Surfer application. As you know, the game changes city location every few weeks. To get the latest city, make sure your game is up to date to the latest version. Go to the App Store or Play Store and tap Update if available. Once updated, open the game link, look at the main screen, you will see the name of the current city you are running in, like Tokyo, Cairo or New York. The new city will be automatically loaded when you update the game. No need to unlock it manually. Now just hit play and you'll be running through the street of brand new city. Each location comes with cool scenario, characters and events. And that's how you get the newest city in Subway Surfer.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tutorials. Drop a comment if you have question or suggestion for future videos. And don't forget to check out our playlist. See you in the next one.